Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact BMW model and year because the procedure varies by system. Use an OBD2 scanner designed for BMWs to read stored fault codes immediately. Once done, make sure the battery is healthy. Aim for about 2 to 12, 8 volts, and keep a charger handy so codes don't clear prematurely. You'll need basic hand tools, gloves, and a BMW-capable diagnostic tool. Start the car and keep it idling only when the scanner instructs you to do so. You don't just erase the lamp, you fix what set it. Once you pull live data with the scanner, identify persistent faults versus pending ones, then follow the diagnostics to repair the underlying component: sensors, vacuum leaks, or ignition issues. After fixing the root cause, run the scanner's readiness tests and confirm monitored systems now pass. Only when the system shows no active faults do you proceed to the clear codes function. This prevents the warning from returning immediately. You finish by using the BMW diagnostic tool to clear stored codes and then verify the system's readiness monitors. Once cleared, make a drive cycle as specified for your model, typically 50 to 100 kilometers with mixed driving, and then rescan to confirm the service engine's soon lamp stays off. If the lamp returns, check for intermittent faults, ensure steady battery voltage, and rerun the live data tests. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals a returning sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.